What if you had a machine that would do what you told it to do? It would do jobs that were boring or dangerous. It would do jobs over and over again while you could relax and be a more creative person. Robotics is a half-semester class at St. Peter the Apostle for grade 9 students pairing with computer coding to make a full semester option. We use LEGO EV3 robots, which allow programming of 4 motors, 4 sensors, and will do animation and play sound. LEGO is our base we build without tools and has a programming language based on Scratch. During the course, we will complete projects that animate robots and look at CNC machining, laser cutting, and 3D printing. With variations of the Scratch language, we can explore all of these. Our grade 9 classes in robotics and coding will also introduce you to high school CTS programs, computer networking, ComTech printing, animation, and we'll also look at controlling cameras for photography, video, and lighting. In robotics, we explore future goals for competitions such as Skills Alberta and challenges for both high school and post-secondary. Robotics can help you build a career in computer sciences, communications, manufacturing, and more. As a STEAM class, we encourage all students, male and female, to consider science, technology, engineering, art, and math through robotics at St. Peter the Apostle Catholic High School.